Happy Valentine's Day, Mouse! Mouse is making valentines for his friends. He wants each one to be just right. He loves Pig because she's a good dancer. Mouse loves Moose because he's such a good artist. He loves Cat because he's so strong. And Dog because he's always happy to see his friends. He loves Bunny because she's the best at hide and seek. And Fox, even though she's not. Mouse can't wait to give out his valentines. Who's at the door? Happy Valentine's Day, Mouse! Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to buy this book, check description below. And if you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to join me on the next reading adventure.